I'm Mark Bosworth. I'm the Industrial Technology Coordinator here at Southwestern Illinois College. The Industrial Technology Department encompasses the Precision Machining Technology program also. And I'm standing here today in our brand new Advanced Manufacturing Academy on our Belleville campus. What is a machinist? What do machinists do? And to explain it very shortly is machinist is needed for everything we do every day, from a ballpoint pen to a plastic bottle that holds water, milk, soda, whatever. That is vital for this country, and starts with a machinist. The defense industry, producing fighter jets, commercial airlines, to automobiles, everything. So in this video, we went to many different companies that our students are working out now, from the tool and die to the aerospace industry to a company that makes coil steel products for the stamping die industry for your appliances that you have at home. So if you're interested in this program, take a look at this video. Many of our students have great jobs right now, make a great living wage, and are very successful in their careers.
I'm a machinist here at Cheller Tool and Die. I've been here for almost 8 years.
I've been a machinist at Sire Industries for about 3 years now.
I'm a machinist here at RBI. I've been here for 13 years.
I am a tool room machinist and CNC machinist. I've been here for 5 years.
After I found out about machining and shaping metal into parts that I would want, it just kind of took off. My love for it just skyrocketed.
It's a lot of hands-on stuff. We get trained, we get shown how to do everything. It's a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun with it.
I'm still training. There's a whole lot to know. Just setting parts up like this, like big weldments or our inside work, die work, and just pretty much machining, putting holes in square parts. That's what we do. Watching big tools, big drills, just removing a lot of material.
I programmed the CNC machine with different tools and drills to produce that part.
I had no experience with machines or anything. I was going to be a carpenter for the longest time, and then I started machining, and it turns out I love it. I love working on manual machines and CNC.
Each day, this trade, it's like you learn something new each day, and I really enjoy that part of it, facing new challenges, trying to overcome those and figure out better solutions and how we can do things faster, more efficient.
SWIC gave me a basic knowledge on how to run all the machines here and how to use Mastercam and everything else we use on a daily basis. And then whenever you go to the job, you kind of get the more detailed, refined parts of it. But SWIC is a really good head start on all of that. The in-depth training, hand programming, teaching everything that goes into setting up parts and being safe has definitely helped with what I do here.
Here I made a little part for the lathe that was just for a taper attachment, and using my SolidWorks knowledge from SWIC, I was able to model it and then make a print for it.
Yeah, it's definitely, you get very prepared, especially because a lot of the teachers there have a lot of experience, and it just helps out.
I feel like it's a great path to go down. I feel like they did give you the guidance and help you get a career.
Probably one of the biggest things I learned in SWIC was the ability to multitask, and also, while multitasking, keep a tight tolerance on parts while also being efficient and productive.
It's a fun trade, it really is. You meet a lot of good people, and it's a good time.